I noticed there's a lot of people having difficulties with activity B, so I'm going to show an alternate way of learning it. So here it goes. Nancy's making cakes for her bakery, and she bought 12-pound bag of flour. So in your head, imagine a giant bag of flour for 12 that is 12 pounds. So that's what she has. In order to make her cakes, she needs some stuff on Monday, stuff on Tuesday, and stuff on Wednesday. And then we're asked, will she have enough flour? So if I add these fractions up and they are smaller than 12, I know that I have enough. But if I know that if these fractions, when I add them up, are bigger, I know that I don't have enough flour. So let me add these up real fast. So I'm going to start with 2 3/8, 3 1/2, and 5 3/4. A major rule about fractions is that you have to have a common denominator when you're adding or subtracting. So let me roll them. I'm going to also put a line between the whole numbers and the fractions to keep them separate, for the same reason why I draw a line down the time, the colons, to keep the hour separate from the minutes. So let me roll these. 2 4 6 8 1 2 3 4 4 8 3 6. Alright, I notice that I now have all the same denominators. So when I add them up, 3 plus 4 plus 6 is 13/8. Alright, let me add up the whole numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10. Alright, I notice that this is an improper fraction, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it into a mixed number. I asked myself, how many 8s can I get out of 13? And the answer is 1. So I know that I can get 1/8 out of 13. I have a remainder of 5 extra that I didn't, that is just a remainder. Now I have 10 wholes and I have 1 5/8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them, and I get 11 5/8. Alright, let's check in. She bought 12 pounds of flour, a 12-pound bag of flour, but she needs 11 5/8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that she's going to be okay. So yes, she has enough flour. So I'm going to cross off A and B. Alright, the question is, how much flour does she have left over? I believe this is an old slide, so I can't remember which on your practice. One of them is that she has 3/8 left over, and so you would select the one that has 3/8 left over. Okay? Alright, good luck.